Have you ever wished your teeth could heal themselves? No fillings, no drills, no pain? Well, that might soon be reality. A team of scientists from Harvard University has developed a groundbreaking tooth regeneration pill that can actually rebuild enamel, the hardest substance in your body, naturally. This tiny capsule could change everything we know about dentistry. For decades, the only way to repair cavities or damaged enamel has been through fillings, crowns, or artificial coatings. But this new capsule takes a completely different approach. It uses a special protein sequence designed in the lab that can wake up dormant cells inside your gums. Once these cells are activated, they begin producing crystalline hydroxyapatite, the natural mineral that makes your enamel strong and shiny. In lab tests, the results were jaw-dropping. Within just 2 weeks, small cavities in animal teeth were completely restored, without drills, injections, or any kind of surgery. So how does the pill know where to go? Once swallowed, the capsule dissolves and releases these bioengineered proteins into your bloodstream. From there, they enter your saliva, which constantly bathes your teeth. That's when the real magic happens. The proteins bond with enamel-producing cells, triggering a natural repair process, almost like how your teeth first formed as a child. The best part? It's painless, gradual, and completely organic. No chemicals, no synthetic fillings, just your own body rebuilding itself. Dentists are calling this one of the biggest breakthroughs in oral biology in decades. If successful in human trials, it could eliminate the need for root canals, fillings, and even crowns. Imagine a world where tooth decay simply heals, where dental visits are about maintenance, not drilling. That's the future these researchers are working toward, and it's closer than you think. The Harvard team plans to begin human testing soon, and major pharmaceutical companies are already lining up to partner. If approved, this tiny capsule could completely transform modern dentistry and bring natural regeneration to every smile. So next time you brush your teeth, just imagine, one day you might not need the dentist to fix them. Your body could do it all on its own. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible science breakthroughs.